Who you are is forged and found and decided in the moments where you're putting everything in and getting nothing back. And do you fucking quit? They say maturity is your ability to do the right actions without getting the result for the longest period of time. That is what the definition of maturity has been given as. How long can you keep going, showing up, putting in the work, spending the money, doing the training, when you're not seeing anything on the outside? And let me go deeper in the spiritual side of this. The reason that is where real transformation comes from is because transformation is where what you're looking for is no longer found on the outside. It's found on the inside. You can't find yourself when you're finding results on the outside. The only way you can have spiritual transformation is when you find solitude, peace, abundance, mastery, happiness, joy inside of you. When outside of you is a desert, it is barren, it is scarcity, it is fear, it is darkness. But you find the light inside of you. That's what transformation is. You cannot find what you're capable of on the inside when you have everything on the outside. If you're driving around in a fucking Lamborghini that you didn't have to work that hard for, you'll never find your spiritual depth. You find it when you're like, shit, nothing's fucking working. I'm going to keep doing the right things. I'm going to keep showing up. I'm going to keep investing. And then you found that your true light, your true power, your true sovereignty is inside of you. And then what happens? You found everything inside of you. Everything starts happening outside of you. This is not coincidence or just happenstance. Oh, we just got to go through this shit period because Josh says we've got to go through this shit period. This is where enlightenment comes from. That's why if you look at any spiritual gurus, they go live in a fucking mountain and eat 1 grain of rice every day because then they don't have anything on the outside. And as I think Ben and Chris were saying, it's sink or swim. You either find yourself inside of you or you don't. But there's no other way around it. There's no, well, I'd like to find my inner strength, but I'd like everything to be comfortable on the outside while I try and find it. You'll never find it. Is this making sense? How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.